Hi, I'm Zola, and this is a tutorial for the classical Pilates mat exercise called Boomerang. It's one of my favorites. I think it's a really pretty one and a fun one to do because I'm a dancer, and I feel like this one is very dancery. So this one is in the classical advanced order, and it's closer towards the end of the workout. So make sure you're pretty warm before you do this. And it is an inversion, so make sure you don't have any neck issues before you lift the hips and let the legs go overhead. So let's get started. I'm scooching a little bit forward because the legs will go back that way. So my fingertips are on the mat, think spidey fingers, in front of my hips. So not in line with the hips, but a little bit in front of the hips, which gives me leverage. I'm sitting up tall with long legs. I'm stacking my right leg over top of my left. And then I round the spine, think spine stretch forward. So I'm in that spine stretch, maybe the roll up position. Lightly pushing my fingertips into the ground. As I roll back, I hover the legs, push the arms into the mat, and find that rollover position. From here, I switch the legs quickly. Open, close. Now my left leg is on top. Roll down through the spine, and instead of coming all the way up, I roll up to a teaser. From here, the palms flip. Think rowing on the reformer. Elbows bend back. I clasp my hands together behind me. I stretch the arms. I round the spine, and I control my legs coming down as I lift my arms up. Then the arms circle all the way around, grabbing onto the feet, and then roll up, starting over. Now my left leg is on top. Lightly push into the fingertips, curl the tailbone under, hover the legs, and find your rollover position. Open, close, roll down, find your teaser, chest is open, flip the palms, elbows bend, find your hands, reach, find that rounded spine position, control the legs as you reach up and over, and then circle those arms all the way around, and then you roll yourself up. So see, that one is a nice fun one. So things to think about: not collapsing as the legs roll over, finding that length on the sides of the waist, and using those arms, pushing them down into the mat when the legs go up and over. So we have always a two-way reach in the body going on. So I hope that helps you. If it does, and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.